Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will discuss tutorial 5.1, question number 10, okay, under area between curves, okay. Alright, so from here, the region R in figure below is bounded by the curve y minus 2 bracket squared equals to 4 minus 4x. Right, this is the curve, okay, the given curve. And the line y equals to x plus 4. This is the line y equals to x plus 4. Right? A. Find the coordinates of A and B. And B. Find the area of the shaded region R. Right now, we look at the complete solution. Right? So from A here, okay, find the coordinates of A and B. Okay? So to find the coordinates of A and B, we need to solve simultaneous equation because these are the intersection points, right, between this curve and this line, right? Alright, so we solve simultaneous equation. First, let's say we write x as a subject from this line. So we write x equals to y minus 4. Okay. Then we name as equation 1. Okay. And let's say the curve we name as equation 2. Alright. After that, we substitute equation 1 into equation 2. Okay. We substitute y minus 4 into variable x here. Right? Because y minus 4 is equals to x. Right? Right, after we substitute 1 into 2, so we get y minus 2 bracket squared equals to 4 minus 4 times y minus 4. Right? Right, so we substitute here. Okay? Right, after we substitute, then we expand, okay, the function on the right hand side. So we expand the function for the both side, okay. For the left hand side, after we expand, so we get y squared minus 4y plus 4 equals to 4 minus, we multiply negative 4 with the function in bracket here, so we get negative 4y plus 16, right? Right, after that, we can simplify or we can cancel negative 4y from left hand side and right hand side, and we can cancel plus 4 from left hand side and right hand side. So after we simplify, so we get y squared equals to 16, right? Then we have y equals to square root of 16, and we put plus minus sign when we solve square root. Okay, then we have y equals to plus minus 4, right? Alright, so our y equals to negative 4 and y equals to positive 4. After that, we substitute y equals to negative 4 into equation 1 here. Okay, so we get x equals to negative 4 minus 4, so equals to negative 8. Okay, and we substitute y equals to 4 into equation 1 here, so we get x equals to 4 minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, then we can write coordinate A equals to, we pass with coordinate x first and then y. So we have 0, 4 for coordinate A. Okay, because A here on y-axis. So we write A equals to coordinate 0, 4. And B is negative 8. Here we write coordinate x first and negative 4. Okay, this is the answers for question A. right? Got it? Now we continue with B. Find the area of the shaded region R, right? Right, from here, if we move out the shaded region, so we get this, right? And then from here, let's say we consider this curve as a top function, okay? But this line is also the top function, okay? And we have this curve as a bottom function, okay? In this case, it is not suitable to choose top and bottom because we have two top function here, right? So the best way to write the shaded region here is we need to write in terms of right and left because this curve always on the right side from this line, right? And this line always the left side from this curve, right? So from this diagram, it is suitable to use right and left other than top and bottom, all right? After that, when we use right and left means we want variable y. And when we want variable y means we need to write x as a subject. So from this equation, okay, after we write x as a subject, so we get this, right? How we get this? From the given function here, y minus 2 bracket squared equals to 4 minus 4x, we move minus 4x to left hand side. So we get 4x and then equals to 4. And at the same time, we move bracket squared to right hand side. Right? So we get this. Okay. After that, we write x as a subject. Okay. Since we have multiplication by 4 here, so when we move 4 to right hand side, so we need to divide it by 4. Okay. That's why we get x equals to 4 minus y minus 2 bracket squared over 4. Right? This is the equation for right function and we write x as a subject because we want variable y. Okay, every time when we use right minus left, we need to use variable y. Okay, right. And then from this line here, from the given equation here, we also need to write x as a subject. So after we write x as a subject, so we get this. X equals to y minus 4. Right? Got it? Okay. Both function need to write x as a subject. Okay. So that we can subtract. Okay. Since we have right and left here, so we need to use area equals to, we integrate using lower and upper limit on y-axis, and then function right minus left, okay, and then dy, right? And then we recall back A, when we solve coordinates of A and B, we have coordinate A, 0, 4, and B, negative 8, negative 4. Means that the value on y-axis equals to negative 4, okay, from the bottom. And then here we have y equals to 4. So means that we need to integrate area equals to, we integrate from lower limit y equals to negative 4 to upper limit y equals to positive 4. And then we substitute right function here, okay, we substitute here, and then in between is minus, and then we substitute the left function here, right? From the previous slide, we get this, okay? After that, we can write y minus 4 over 4, but we need to multiplying numerator by 4. Okay, so that when we simplify 4 from numerator and 4 from denominator, we get back y minus 4, right? Right, after that, we can combine the denominator, okay, since we have same denominator here, right, which is 4, right? Then we can move out constant 1 over 4 from integration sign. Okay, so we get 1 over 4 integration from -4 to 4, 4 minus bracket y minus 2 squared minus 4 bracket 1 minus 4 dy, right? After that, we can expand, okay, this bracket, okay, we expand the square here, so we get y squared minus 4y plus 4, okay, since this is minus sign, so we still need to put bracket sign so that we can avoid error, okay, and we expand -4 with the function in bracket here, so we get minus 4y, -4 times -4 equals to positive 16, right? Right after that, we can multiply the negative sign, okay, by the function in bracket here. So we get 4 and then minus y squared minus times minus, we get plus 4y minus times plus, we get minus 4 here and then minus 4y plus 16 dy, right? Then we can simplify 4 minus 4 and positive 4y minus 4y. Okay, after we simplify, so we get area equals to 1 over 4 integration from -4 to 4 and then positive 16 minus y squared, right? From the previous slide, we get area equals to 1 over 4 integration from -4 to 4, 16 minus y squared dy, right? Right. So from here, we can integrate with respect to y, okay? Then after we integrate, we still have constant 1 over 4 here, and then we integrate 16 with respect to y, so we get 16y minus, we integrate y squared, so we get y cubed over 3. Okay, since this is definite integral, so we don't need to put plus c, but we need to put square bracket with lower limit -4 and upper limit 4, right? After that, we substitute the value of upper limit first into variable y here, okay? And in between must minus sign. And after that, we substitute the lower limit into variable y. So we get this, right? 16 times 4 equals to 64 minus 4 cubed equals to 64 and then over 3. In between is minus. And then 16 times -4 equals to -64. And then negative to the power of odd equals to negative. And then negative times negative equals to positive. Okay, that's why we get positive and then 64 over 3 here, right? Right, after that, we have 1 over 4, 64 minus 64 over 3, and then minus times minus equals to plus 64, minus times plus equals to minus 64 over 3 here, right? Then we simplify, so we get 1 over 4, 64 plus 64 equals to 128, minus 64 over 3, minus 64 over 3 equals to minus 128 over 3. Okay, and then using calculator, after we simplify, we get area equals to 64 over 3. Okay, we just leave the answer in fraction, right? And then for area, we need to put units and then square, right? So this is our final answer, right? Right. From here, we have area equals to 64 over 3 units squared. Okay, we can check this answer using symbollab.com. Okay, from the previous slide, after we set up the formula for area, so we get integration y equals to -4 to y equals to 4. This is right function minus left function dy. Okay, if we use this syntax using symbollab.com, okay, after we press enter, we get the answer equals to 64/3. Okay, we can check the answer using this function, okay, integration of this function, or we can check this answer using 1/4 integration from y equals to -4 to y equals to 4, 16 minus y squared dy. Okay, and after we press enter, we will get the same answer, which is equals to 64/3. Okay, and then we put unit squared because this is area. Okay, we just leave the answer in fraction, right? Got it? Thank you for watching. Bye.